Hello, and welcome to another video by Enterprises Software Solutions. My name is Anthony, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at how to control who can present in Microsoft Teams. So here, I'm in a meeting, and I want to share my screen or an application I have opened. I would do that by clicking on the share icon, and then selecting one of the options to share. And from here, I can share my screen, which is these first options, or I can share a window by clicking on Window. If you as an administrator in Teams want to restrict that, you can. So let's take a look at how to do that in the admin portal. So here, I'm in the Teams administrator portal. And if we look at the address here, you can see it's admin.teams.microsoft.com. You can also get here from just the generic Microsoft 365 Admin Center and going to the Teams option, which is what I typically do. And here, we're going to expand meetings, go to meeting policies, and we're going to select the policy that we want to edit. So for example, and this is what we'll do today, if we want to edit the organization-wide policy, which will affect everybody, I'm going to select the global org-wide default. And now I'm going to scroll down to content sharing. And this is where we can restrict who can present and what they are allowed to present. So underneath who can present, this allows anybody that's in the meeting. And the other options, we can choose to only allow organizers and co-organizers or people in your org and guests. So people in your org and guests include everybody in your organization and anybody else that is authenticated with a Microsoft account. And everyone also allows any anonymous user to present as well. For screen sharing, we can restrict if they can share their entire screen, a single application, or can't share it at all. And this is totally up to you and your organization. And this next option, being able to request control. So if you're in a meeting and someone else is sharing their screen and this is enabled, it allows you to take control of their screen. So it will show a separate cursor on their screen. And that can be useful, but some people choose to disable it, which you can if you wish. And then the same thing for external participants. This is something that's typically disabled, allowing external participants to request control of your organization folks, but there are cases where it's useful. And these other options here, PowerPoint Live, being able to share PowerPoints in Teams, the whiteboard feature, collaborative annotations, live share, shared notes. These are things that you can enable or disable here in this policy. So for example, if we wanted to restrict only people in my org and guests to allow to present, and we did not want to allow external participants to give or request control, we can do that by making these changes here. And then I will hit save. And it's gonna tell me it's gonna take some time to take effect, so we won't have time to actually demonstrate the changes here. But I'm going to hit confirm, and there we go. We got the notification that it was saved. And remember, if you have any troubles with this, feel free to reach out to Enterprises Software Solutions because we are your #1 software dudes. Thanks for watching.